In this video we will learn how to create our first web page. To create web page we will start Notepad first. So this is Notepad and we will start coding. First tag is HTML, which instructs the browser that this is a web page. Then we have head tag. Head tags contains the header information about the web page. Other information like the title of the web page and some search phrases about the web page, those are beyond the scope of our syllabus. We will learn some basic like title, my first web page, then title closed. This slash title means this title tag is closed. HTML is a tag based language. Each tag has a meaning for the browser. Like HTML tag means it instructs the browser that it is a web page. Title tag instructs the browser this will be displayed at the top of the web page. And what will be the display and what will be the title? This text which you write between the open title tag and closing title tag. Each closing title has a slash in that. We will close head tag, then we start body tag. Now all the contents which are displayed in your web page are put between this opening body tag and whatever you write here. Finally closing body tag and finally closing HTML tag. These are the closing tags. Closing tags mean this is the pairing for the opening tag. Suppose it was opened here, so this is the paired closing tag. The first tag which was opened was HTML, so it is the last one to be closed. Now we have to save our file. Let's write some meaningful content here. This is a sample web page. Now we have to save the file. So to save the file, save, in file name box use double quotes and then my file dot html. This extension tells that this is a HTML file. It can be HTML or it can be HTML, and then I will save it on desktop. Save. Now see, this is my file. The icon of the file is the icon of your default browser new system. Let's see. So this is the output. This is the title, my first web page, and this is the content of the web page. So this is a basic web page where we have used all the basic tags to create used to create a web page. So let's save it, or we have already saved it. So in next video we will learn more about creating advanced pages.